Hey guys, today I will show you how to download and install Escape from Tarkov game on your PC or laptop. So first head over to the Steam website, then click on sign in option you will see on the top, and you need to create the Steam account. If you haven't a Steam account, just simply create the Steam account. After you created the Steam account, click on the install Steam option you will see on the top, click on the install Steam and download the Steam and install it on your device. After that, open up the Steam, click on the top search box and just type Escape from Tarkov. You'll see this game on the top, so just open it up. Once this game is open, just scroll down, click on Add to Cart option, click on View My Cart. Now simply go ahead and click on Continue to Payment and just simply pay the amount for this game. After that, click on the library options you will see on the top and go to your Steam library, find this game. After you pay the amount, click on the install option and that's how you can download and install this game. If you find this guide useful, like it and that's it.